Hello, welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by InyoPools.com. I'm Rob.
And I am Matthew, and I'd like to say I missed you, but the question goes as such. We added granular chlorine to our chlorinator and it exploded. What could be the main reason for the explosion? Rob?
I hate to do this, but I'm going to answer a question with a question. Did you mix two different types of chlorine? Something new pool techs and homeowners alike have learned the hard way is that different types of chlorine do not interact well with one another. If you mix calcium hypochlorite with trichlor tabs and add water, you're going to have a mess on your hands.
Assuming you still have hands after it goes off. Some precautions to take to avoid this outcome is to never mix chemicals, especially dry and liquid chlorine. If you use a bucket to dissolve chemicals, use different buckets for the various agents. And this is not about explosions, but more about protecting yourself. Always add chlorine to water, never the opposite. And dismount. Felt good after a year. It's been a year. I know you missed us, because our bosses didn't. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this poolside chat. We hope to do another one sometime soon. And always remember, for everything pool and spa, visit us over at InyoPools.com. Bye.